Welcome to Olumirin Waterfall, meaning another deity, located at IJESHA in IJESHA land. Bishop káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé. Èmi ọmọ yín Bishop ni o. Mo ní kí n fi iṣẹ́ Elédùmarè kí n fi hàn yín.
I'm here to show you that there is no end to God's creative mysteries.
Kí n kúkú pè ní omi ti máa ń jáde táwọn èèyàn olóyìnbó máa ń pè ní waterfall. Ibi tí ẹ ti rí wípé wọ́n ní pé òkè méje ní Olúmirin ní. Olúmirin òkè méje ló ní. Òkè àkọ́kọ́ máa mú yín débẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ìkẹta.
The waterfalls are composed of 7 layers of cascading water. Let's catch fun.
Wípé nígbà tí ẹ̀yin bá ti dé sí Olumirin Waterfall tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn máa ń pè ní ẹ̀rìn Ìjẹ̀ṣà Waterfall, àwọn nǹkan tó ṣeé ṣe fún yín láti rí tàbí láti bá pàdé ó ní àwọn yàrá kéékèèké.
This site is basically made for picnic, resting and relaxation before or after you must have explored the wonderful and beauty of nature. This is the way that leads to the first floor. This is the first floor.
Àkàsọ̀ méje àkọ́kọ́ la wà yìí. Ẹ tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ sí àkàsọ̀ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ẹ̀rìn Ìjẹ̀ṣà Waterfall, àkàsọ̀ kejì. Níbi tí mo ti ṣàlàyé fún yín wípé.
This is the second floor.
Ẹ ti lóríṣiríṣi.
The water gushing from this waterfall is more compared to the first floor. The appearance of a rainbow inside the water is the most amazing thing. And this is the third floor. It is one of the most difficult to climb. Not for the faint-hearted. This is the fourth floor. The fifth and sixth are just gentle flow, while the last floor is village, called a bake, under Ikiti state.